What's up, everybody? We are back from Endless Summer Cruising in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland, where I did 4 videos in 4 days with 4 different giveaways. And in this video, we're going to find out who the winners are. So stick around. So welcome to my channel, Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. I am Frank the Tank, and this is the video you've been waiting for, where I'm going to announce all the winners of the Bangin Gears giveaway items from the Endless Summer Cruising videos I created when I was down in Ocean City. Before we get started, I want to thank a couple of people. I want to thank the event staff from Endless Summer Cruising, who kind of allows me to share all my videos and all these items on their Facebook groups and pages as well. I'll let them know I am very thankful for letting me do that. I also want to thank the Twisted Rods Car Club of Maryland. They allowed me to step on their toes during their show at the Pit and Pub on, I believe it was Thursday, and allowed me to give away a couple of Bangin Gears trophies to a couple of the cars there. They didn't have to do that. They were very generous and letting me do so, so I wanted to actually just add to the video that I thank you very much for allowing me to step on your toes. Also want to give a shout out to a couple of people. I want to shout out to James and Eddie. We don't need last names. If you don't know the mayor and the boss man, then you really don't know Ocean City all that well. Also want to thank everybody who participated in the events. We had a huge influx of people that commented on the videos in YouTube, and a huge influx of people that joined the Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook, which is a Facebook group that is open to the public and allows you to post anything car related. You got shows coming, you want to post flyers, you got cars for sale, you want to post them up there, you got some photographs from a show or event you had gone to, post them up there. As long as it's automotive related, it's good to go. And I want to also, which means a lot to me, thank everybody who recognized me or recognized the car and came up to me and introduced themselves. I love that. I absolutely do. I got to meet a couple of people whose names I knew but never put a face with the name, and they came up and they introduced themselves, and we had talks, and we laughed, and we had a really good time. So for those of you, always feel free to pop in and say hi. It's also a great way to get your car in the video. So that being said, enough with me talking, let's get to the winners. Video number 1 was for a Bangin Gears fleece. Like this one. This one is mine, actually. So it's got the logo on it here, and it's got Bangin Gears on it in the back, right below the neck. This is going to change if you're going to get a new fleece. If you win this fleece today, it's actually going to say Bangin Gears Garage in the back. It'll still say Bangin Gears in the front. How the fleeces work is I used to only have them in large sizes, and I would give them out in large only. But what we're doing last time and for this time, I'll put my email at the bottom of the screen right here. Email me if you want a male or female size and what size you actually want, and then I will have them specially made, which takes a little longer based on supply issues. Could take up to 2, maybe 3 weeks, but I will get it to you. It'll be the size you want, in the sex that you want, and you'll have it. The hats I have in stock, a couple of them. I'll just send those out immediately if you win the hats. But the Bangin Gears fleeces are made to order, so it takes a little more time. So that video, let's see here on the screen here. That video had 35 entries, and that's a lot. I think that's the most. So let's see what we get here. And around she goes, and the winner of the fleece is Thai Pace. Thai Pace, congratulations. You win the fleece. Like I said, send me an email. Let me know if you want a male or female and the size that you want, and we'll have that made especially for you and get it out to you as soon as possible. Video number 2 was for a Bangin Gears baseball cap. And let's see who wins for video number 2. This one had 25 entries. And the winner of the Bangin Gears baseball cap is going to be Jon K9. Congratulations, Jon K9, doing the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Shoot me an email with your address and I will get that out to you right away. Okay, video number 3 was also for a Bangin Gears baseball cap. And that video had 29 entries. 29 entries. And let's give the wheel a spin. Around she goes, and the winner is Jon K9. Jon K9, congratulations, you are the winner of Bangin Gears baseball cap. Video number 4 was also for a Bangin Gears fleece in any sex you want it and in any size that you want it. So it'll have, again, the Bangin Gears logo in the front. This one has Bangin Gears in the back. Yours will say Bangin Gears Garage right there instead. Like I said, male or female, any size that you want it. And we'll spin that one. That had 35 entries as well as the first video, so they were tied. It's kind of funny to look at. So you guys like the fleeces more than the hats. So the fleeces both had 35 people make comments, and the hats, video number 2 had 25, and video number 3 had 29. So obviously, it's kind of cool. A little statistic for you. More comments on the fleece videos. Like I said, that had 35 entries, and we'll spin that one. And the winner of the final fleece goes to Vintage Resuscitation. Is that how you say that? Vintage Resuscitation. Congratulations. I don't know if you're a male or female or a company or whatever. My email is right here. Tell me if you want a male or female fleece and what size you want it in, and we'll get that out to you. Remember, it's custom made. May take a couple of weeks, but you will get it as soon as I get it in. Congratulations to all the winners of the Endless Summer Cruisin' Bangin Gears giveaway videos. I appreciate you participating. I appreciate you guys staying and hanging out with the channel longer. I got some great videos coming down the pike. But if you didn't win and you'd like to purchase your own Bangin Gear stuff, like this Fear the Gear shirt that I'm wearing, you can check out my Teespring store, where I have hundreds of items with the logos and little catchphrases. My infamous trophy horse shirt, which I wear all the time. You can check that stuff out. But again, congratulations to all the winners. Thanks everybody for participating, and we will catch you next time on Bangin Gears.